Yes. I'd like a royale with cheese. Let me just make this a quarter pounder with cheese. Let's see. It's gonna need cheese. Yeah, a pickle, and the bread too. I'm so good at this. Order up.
It's Tubi Toys. Do you know that Tubi Toys are out of this world?
Whoa! How did we get here? I don't know, but this is not cool. We're in a McDonald's. I know, this is crazy. Well, looks like we're gonna have to work here to get out of here. Oh, come on, I don't know anything about McDonald's. I only eat garbage. I'm gonna take the back and cook the food, and you're gonna take the orders. It'll be fun! Oh, here comes our first customers now. You better get behind the register. Is this thing on? Testing.
I could barely see behind the register. Yeah, I hear you.
Good, this is how we're gonna communicate. You're gonna tell me what to make every time you press those buttons, okay? I think I have an idea of how to make it. I think I saw it over in that Burger Time game over at the arcade.
Burger schmurger. Here they come. This is way better than going to McDelivery. Let's go to the source for our delicious Happy Meal toys.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see the new Happy Meal toys. Me too! I'm gonna run out of here because this is going way too slow. Dashiell, Robert, Parr, you stay in that car. We'll be there in no time at all.
We're here.
Whoa, is that The Incredibles? The Incredibles? Oh my gosh, they just came out with a new movie. I think we have their McDonald's toys. You better be good to them.
Right, I hope I don't mess this up.
Does everybody know what they want? I know what I want.
So do I. All right, let's order. Hello, welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order?
Yes, we would like a Big Mac, hot cakes, chicken nuggets, salad, french fries, 2 ice creams, 2 sodas, 2... Whoa, slow down. Don't you guys just want those Happy Meal toys with your faces on them? Yeah, we do, but we still want food. Whoa, slow down, Ralph. I can't make this fast enough. That'll be $400.75. What? Here's all your food, supersized. Whoa, this is just way too big for us. We'll just take the toys. It's just way too big for us. We don't want all that food.
I'm sorry, we don't know what we're doing. We're out of here.
Let's go now, Ralph. Come on. Whoa, that was so crazy that Wreck-It Ralph and Vanellope Von Schweetz were working the McDonald's register, and they totally messed everything up, but that's okay. We got the new Incredibles 2 McDonald's Happy Meal toys. You guys ready to open them up?
Yeah!
Yes, totally ready. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys if you haven't already. And if you're new here, let me know in the comments below. And also ring that bell so every time we post a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks so much, guys. Let's get started. We have the new Incredibles 2 Happy Meals. Here is a closer look of the box. You could take this part out and you could play a really cool word game. This is so super awesome. Even the Go-Gurt has the Incredibles on them, and there's lots of cool games to play too. Get started. Yep. Let's start with bag number 1, and it's Mr. Incredible, guys. There are 10 to collect in all. Oh my gosh, he looks so cool.
I wonder what he does.
Well, we're gonna see that right now. Oh my gosh, this looks like a boulder or something because he's so strong. Wow, it's so cool. He's gonna punch the boulder. Let's attach him. Oh, wow. That's really, really cool. So he gives the boulder a big pow and he knocks it down. Oh, wow. So you just move his arm and it knocks down the boulder. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yep. I like it.
Me too.
Very, very cool. That's number 1. Oh, I think Frozone wants to get involved in here. Hey, Frozone.
I think Frozone's not a part of this McDonald's set.
I think he is. No, he's not.
I think he is.
Let's look for number 2. Number 2 is Elastigirl on her Elasticycle. Awesome. And who saw the movie yet? If you saw the movie, let me know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up.
I saw the movie with one of my aunts.
That's right. This is Elastigirl. So her Elasticycle stretches just like her.
I did not even know. Does she move too?
She doesn't come off, but it's almost like our other elasticycle that we just unboxed on our channel. Let's see how well she rides. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. She twists, too. Look at that.
Oh, my God. I didn't know that.
That is so cool. Let's see her go. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
She doesn't do very good because she keeps falling down.
That's right. But she twists.
Yep.
And she stretches. She's not like stretchy material. She's hard plastic, but she is really cool. And she is number 2.
Yeah.
Let's get a closer look of the elasticycle. There's her face. She looks so cool. Number 3. Number 3 is Dash.
Ooh.
Dash is super duper fast.
Yep.
Ooh, this looks like a cool one.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be funny. Okay, so this is like really, really cool that they did this. Okay, I have to change my camera angle. Hold on. Okay, watch this. It's kind of hard to do. Hold on a second. So you put your finger in here and you're gonna twirl him super fast around. Oh, he's gonna fly away. Let's get a closer look of Dash. He looks super cool. So he's not like mechanical or doesn't move. You have to power him yourself. Look how great he looks. And I love that like cloud of smoke that's like left behind. So all you have to do is just attach this, put your finger in here and twirl and twirl and twirl and twirl. Number 4 is Violet. Miss Violet. She is awesome.
Yes,
In our last video when we did The Incredibles 1 McDonald's toys, she didn't work because she lit up.
Yeah.
Do you think I should do like a comparison video with both of them?
Yeah.
I'll do that in the next one. Okay, here is Violet with her force field. So we're gonna put her in and it looks like she's like in like a gyroscope where she doesn't like fall down. So let's see her, let's get a closer look of Violet before I put her inside.
She's my girl.
She is? Aw, she's so cute.
Yeah, she is so cute.
So let's put her inside here.
Violet is so cool.
Look at that. She's in her own force field. And look, if you put her in like this, she's never going to fall upside down. She's always going to be upright. See?
But if you roll, she'll still be like that.
Yeah, but she'll never be upside down every time you do that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that force field. Whoa. Forgot number 5. Number 5 is
Jack.
Jack Jack. Yay, baby Jack Jack. Ooh, this is a lot of pieces. Okay. What are we supposed to? Oh my gosh. So he's going to go upside down. Let's connect these two. Ooh, look at that. It has the Incredibles 2 logo.
He's like going to be like flying.
Yeah. Let's see.
He has like his superpower.
What's cool is he's got a balance on his hair.
Oh,
You see his hair? Let's take a closer look at baby Jack Jack. He is so cute in the movie.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. If you haven't seen it yet, Jack Jack just is so cute. He just totally steals the show.
Yeah.
It's like a top.
Yeah, and also the movie, Jack Jack turns into Big Jack Jack.
Let's try to spin him around. All right. It'd be easier if you didn't have this thing on top. Well, you get the idea. You have to spin him around. Let's like try to put him like this. He's so cute.
Yeah, he is so cute.
Cutie patoots.
Yep.
Let's move on to box number 2. Number 6 is Frozone. Yay!
I don't know. He has his like ice slide or something.
He does. Awesome.
And when you like do this, he rolls around.
That's right. He has wheels on the bottom. So let's see him roll. Ready? Let's see him go. Whoa!
I think Frozone like his new toy. Oh my god!
So according to this, he goes straight and he turns. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Let's get a closer look of Frozone. He is awesome. Looks like he's doing that like dance moving. What is that called? The dab? Okay, let's move on to number 7. We have number 7 here.
That's number 7.
Is it? It is, and it's
Elastigirl.
yeah, and it's funny. They call her Mrs. Incredible. That's really funny.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's a stretchy one. Oh, it does. It stretches. Look.
Oh my.
But it's not rubbery. Like the first one from the first release from 14 years ago.
Yeah.
That's still cool though.
Yeah.
Very, very cool. Let's see if she twists.
Oh, she
She
does.
She twists around. Does she move her arms up and down? Yes, she does. Super cool. Let's get a closer look at her. She's so strong and so heroic. Let's see if she stands. Can she stand? No, she can't stand. Let's move on to number 8. Oh my gosh.
The raccoon, that was the one I was waiting for.
The Raccoon Surprise. Okay, so let's see.
You move him and then he pops up.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. So he's like peeking through. Let's take a look at this garbage can. It's so funny. So in the movie, he was
hiding inside, and that was Jack's first enemy.
That's right, and that's how we learned how he got his powers.
Yeah.
Doesn't really go up very well.
Yeah.
Let's see if he pops out like this. Here we go. Let's get a closer look of the raccoon.
Do you know the garbage can has the incredible symbol?
That's right. I don't think all the garbage cans in the world had that, but I wish they did.
Me too.
Super cool. Oh, there he goes inside. Number 9, guys. Edna mode. Yay. Oh my gosh, darlings. What does she do, darlings?
Hello, darlings.
Oh, this is cool. Watch this. Look. She's like a bobbling toy. Look how cool.
Yeah, she ups up and
Does
down.
she twist around?
Hello, darling.
That is cool. Let's get a closer look at Edna.
Do you need a megaphone? I could do an mold voice. Hello, darling.
She looks so cool.
Yes, she does.
All right, let's move on to the last one. Number 10. What is it? And it's Baby Jack. Ooh, it's a wind-up toy, Jack. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be like, this is just like the first one, but it's a smaller version.
Yeah.
I gotta do a comparison. Guys, if you want to see a comparison video, let me know in the comments below. I'll have to pull those out. Let's watch him bounce around. That is so funny that they did this again. He has a different facial expression, though.
Yeah.
I think he does. We'll have to see in the next video.
He does.
He looks so cool.
His face looks so angry with the raccoon.
I wish they made like a fire Jack.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. I wish they made a monster Jack too.
Well, let's talk about what they could have done. Honestly, for McDonald's toys, I think these are super fun. But I'm a little upset that there are no villains. I do not see Screenslaver, not even Underminer.
No.
Because they came out with Syndrome when they originally came out with the McDonald's toys. So I'm kind of underwhelmed with this. What do you think?
Yeah, but let's talk about what they could have made for other Disney ones.
Well, no, not that. So, guys, let me know what you think of these in the comments below. We're so happy we have them. If you enjoyed the movie, let us know too. The movie was so awesome. I want to watch it again and again and again and again. We are totally Team Incredibles. We love the Incredibles. And we're so excited about the other summer movies that are coming out, like Teen Titans Go, Hotel Transylvania 3, even Wreck-It Ralph is coming out later this year.
But part 2.
Part 2, oh my gosh, I cannot wait. We are huge Disney fans. Let us know if you are too in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell every time we post a new video. You'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
And have a great day.
Have an incredible day.
Get subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.